We've got a lovely group of fabrics. This is by request. Someone had emailed me and wanted a yoga pant fabric, and this is a black, and this is beautiful. It's a cotton poly. It has incredible drape. You will feel it. You will love it. It stretches in both directions. You don't need it for both directions, so size down just a little bit when using something with both directions. But it's just beautiful. It's just beautiful. It also goes with this group. This print is my center piece here that I'm using. It's got a little bit of black there, so it would be a beautiful accent to that. But let's go to this first. We've got a really deep purple. Notice these purples are just all beautiful together. This is a cotton poly. It's a woven, perfect for a blouse, little tank, all kinds of just fun. Lightweight jacket would be beautiful with this. We move on to this really pretty, this is a viscose tencel. Now tencel, what we know about tencel is a really great fabric. It has great drape, but it wrinkles so much because typically tencel is a rayon. This is a viscose tencel, which is a little higher grade rayon. And you can see where the wrinkling is just not there. It's just beautiful. It's a beautiful piece of fabric. It's kind of a deep salmon. Again, notice how beautiful it goes with this. Now, just FYI, we're doing all these fabrics at $12.99 today and tomorrow only. I know this is kind of a giveaway, but just today and tomorrow. We will be spot on Monday to get those prices changed back, so just FYI. So this is our leading lady here. It's a beautiful purple salmon black blend of dots. This is 100% cotton. It's made in France. Just a beautiful piece. Perfect for a jacket. It could be a pair of slacks. Could be a suit. But either way, all these are to just really support this main fabric, which is really lovely. 100% cotton. We have a lightweight knit here, which you can see blends. One is light, one is darker. Just a beautiful piece. This is 100% cotton. It has stretch in both directions. 123 is what comes to mind when I think of this, because that draping would be beautiful. I mean, there's obviously many that would work well, but I could just see that new 123 just really being beautiful. This is a cotton poly. It's I actually like the matte side better. I think it's stunning, the depth of this purple. It would work. It's like a scuba, so a little dress would work well. Just pretty. I mean, I don't know what else to say. They're just so beautiful together. I love the colorations from the deep purple to the salmons and to the black, and the color pulls it all together. So again, $12.99 just for today and tomorrow, and then otherwise they go back up. All right, happy sewing from Silhouette Pattern.